How's it going, everybody? This is Nick from JasperShopland.com. We are doing a 2015 Panini Spectra football. Pick your team number 4-box break. Good luck, everybody. We get some monster hits. And let's see another 101. As you can see, Joe marked them. PYT number 4 on the boxes. So you guys, whoops, that probably didn't sound good. Sorry. So you guys knew what boxes it came from. Gotta get used to that mic. Putting this. There we go. Alright, here we go. This is like my first break. Scared you? Sorry. I dropped the microphone. I just dropped the mic. Left. Good luck. Here we go. I'll slow play this one. And we have eBay ending right now. Forgot. Almost forgot. One more plug before we start. eBay Spectra 2-box break ending shortly, breaking soon, so go check it out. All right, first hit is for the Bucks. We got Mike Evans jumbo jersey, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, going out to George, 114 of 199. Mike Evans. Detroit Lions hit Eric Ebron autograph for the Detroit Lions, going out to Nancy. That one's 88 of 99. 88 of 99, Eric Ebron. Can you guys hear me all right? Emmanuel Sanders for the Denver Broncos. Going out to Sasson. 6 of 99. And Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Base. 6 of 99. Look at that. 6 of 99, 6 of 99. San Diego Chargers. That's Ted. Ooh, very nice. Dual patch for the Saints. 3-color dual patch. Brandon Cooks and Garrett Grayson. Synced swatches. Nice late pickup for Nancy. There you go, Nancy. 2 out of 25. That's nice. There you go, Nancy. Benedict McKinley autograph for the Texans. Houston Texans going out to Jarrett. 145 of 199. Cause epilepsy. I told you guys this team hits a lot. Cleveland Browns 3-color jumbo patch. Duke Johnson. 41 of 50. Little imperfection on that corner right there, as you guys can see. Cleveland Browns, that's Richard K. And we got a blue die cut for the Texans. Jalen Strong. Number 35. Houston Texans. That's Jarrett. I like the Texans in this stuff, too. I don't know, the corner's all kind of smashed up. Alright, we got for the St. Louis Rams team trios. Trey Mason, Sean Mannion, and Todd Gurley. 142 of 199. St. Louis Rams hit. Going on to Eric M. Wow. 2-color orange, neon orange, patch autograph, David Cobb. Wow, nice hit for the Tennessee Titans. Going out to CJ. That's low numbered, everyone knows. 2 of 3. 2 of 3. Orange ink. Very nice. These cards look awesome in person, I must say. Minnesota Vikings, that's nice. Teddy Bridgewater. Catalyst jersey. Minnesota. Going out to Richard K. 2 out of 50. And we got Jerome Bettis. Versace lettuce for the Steelers. Going out to George. Oops, almost dropped it. 10 of 35. Almost dropped it there. Last pack of box numero uno. We got a nice Williams for the Cardinals. Going out to B. Gordon. 59 of 99. This is a very nice hit. My man Whistler 23 Jarrett scored a 2-color patch autograph Amari Cooper. Oakland Raiders Jarrett. 17 of 25. Very nice. Cooper's going to be a beast this year. That's a nice hit. Koopa. Very nice, Jarrett. Hit for the Chargers, Malcolm Floyd, Sunday best. San Diego Superchargers, Ted. That one's number to 199. And Johnny Football. Johnny Manziel, blue die cut for the Browns. Well, that's a Richard K. 31 out of 35. Nice box number 1. On to box number 2. I love this stuff this year. And the Browns. Just the card gods didn't want you to hit Browns cards, I guess. We got Derek Carr for the Raiders. That's nice. 29 of 99. We got a dual auto coming up. Wow. Richard K. crushing this break. Dual autograph, dual patch. Devontae Parker and Jay Ajayi for the Miami Dolphins. Nice hit. 46 of 50. Sorry, 46 of 50. That's nice. Jumbo jersey for the Panthers. Kelvin Benjamin. Going out to Ted. 14 of 199. And the Steelers, Joe Green. Mean Joe Green for the Steelers. Blue. That one's numbered 47 of 49. Yep, all cards ship in Spectra for the website and for eBay. What's up, Jet? How's it going? Hit for the Jaguars, dual patch. Nice. 2-color, 4-color, dual patch. Rashad Green, Marquise Lee. Going out to Matthew. 14 of 50. Man, they love blowing that thing right when I'm breaking. This is nice. Seattle Seahawks. Tyler Lockett. 2-color patch autograph for the Seahawks. Going out to Walter. Walter T. 3 of 10. Wow, that's nice. 3 of 10 Tyler Lockett. Green ink auto. That's it for the Seahawks. 49ers hit. Jumbo jersey, Mike Davis. Going out to Jesus. 150 of 199. And Colin KC right here. You got it. Jeremy Maclin. Green. Tough to see him in a Kansas City Chiefs uniform, man. That is tough. Going out to Lloyd. 13 of 25. Tough, tough, tough. 2 packs left. Looks like we got some sort of Hall of Fame auto. One of those thin cards. Jersey for the Packers. Haha, Clinton Dix. 43 of 99. Green Bay. Going out to Tim. Ty Montgomery jumbo jersey for the Packers again. Number to 199. Super Bowl autograph, Charles Haley. Nice. Charles Haley Super Bowl autograph going out to Jimmy. Nice hit, Jimmy. Right there. Charles Haley Super Bowl auto. That's nice. And we got a green Jamison Crowder for the Redskins. Going out to Summer. 5 of 25. Last spot mojo. The Redskins. Last pack of box 2 for the Brownies. Wow. Duke Johnson, 2-color jumbo patch for the Cleveland Browns. That's going out to Richard K. 14 of 25. From the first box, there was an Amari Cooper patch auto number 2. What was it? Cooper patch auto 25. That was a big hit in the first box. There was also a David Cobb patch auto to 3. And a couple other nice hits. So we got Duke Johnson. Stephon Diggs for the Vikings. Jumbo jersey. Going out to Richard K. Number to 199. Richard K crushing it. Nice rookie autograph for the Panthers. Cameron Artis-Payne. Carolina Panthers hit. That's going out to Ted. Number to 199. And we got Warren Moon for the Tennessee Titans. Going out to CJ. 99 of 99. eBay 1 of 1. Next box. Yeah, it's true. Stewart is kind of up there in age. Alright, good luck, everybody. Box 3. Jumbo jersey for the Minnesota Vikings. Stephon Diggs to 199. Just hit this card. Going out to Richard K. Next one is sick. George with the Steelers got an on-card autograph. Illustrious Legends, Rod Woodson. Very nice hit for the Steelers. I think those are 1 per case. 46 out of 50. Nice. Nice hit, George. Nice looking card. We got Bradley Roby for the Broncos. Jumbo jersey going out to Sasson, number 199. And for the Cardinals, we got Kurt Warner. Going out to B. 36 of 99. Couple packs left. Patch auto for the Jaguars. Almost 2-color. Rashad Green. Jacksonville Jaguars hitting. Going out to Matthew. For the Titans, Delaney Walker. Sunday best. Blue prism. 32 out of 50. Tennessee Titans going on to CJ. For the Rams, we got Chris Long. Sunday best. Numbered 196 of 199. It's going out to Eric. Hate this guy in the announcer booth, but he's a pretty good player. Chris Collinsworth. Blue prism for the Bengals. There you go, Drew. That one's 15 out of 49. Chris Collinsworth. Yeah, that Jag patch was autoed, that Jag auto patch was numbered to 99. I'm mixing up my words there. No pausing. Auto for the Jaguars. Jaguars crushing it. Dante Fowler Jr. Nice hit for the Jaguars right there. 189 of 199. Matthew. Jaguars hit again. Triple jersey. Blake Bortles, TJ Yeldon, and Marquise Lee. 21 of 199. Going out to Matthew. Sunday best for the Vikings. Cordero Patterson. Going out to Richard K. Sunday best. 157 of 199. And Clive Walford for the Raiders. Going out to Jarrett. What is that? 18 of 49. Last pack, box number 3. Good luck, everybody. Green dual autograph. Going out to the Bengals. There you go, Drew. Dual auto, Paul Dawson and Josh Shaw. Rookie duels. Drew Liss with the Bengals. 8 of 25. That's nice. Nice duel. For the Ravens, we got Brashad Perriman. Baltimore Ravens going out to Landon. 63 of 99. 3-color jumbo patch for the Rams. Trey Mason. Nice patch there. St. Louis Rams going out to Eric. 8 of 25. And Teddy building a little Cameron Artist Payne PC. Gets a green prism. Cameron Artist Payne. For the Panthers. 22 of 25. There you go, Teddy. 101 AJ Green time. Good luck, everybody. Last box. Here we go. Next one is in the store. We got some ending on eBay. I think right now, if I'm not mistaken. A 2-box break on eBay. How good Drew I would be too. And number 5 picker team on our website. Here we go. Last box. Good luck. Ooh. Very nice hit for the Tennessee Titans. Marcus Mariota and Dorial Green Beckham. Sync swatch is pink. Tennessee Titans CJ. 9 out of 10 for that one. Very nice hit. CJ right there. Nice card. You're going to be syncing up for a lot of touchdowns, hopefully. Dual auto for the 49ers. Dress Anderson and DeAndre White. And the dual auto. It's been like the third duel. That is Jesus. 191 of 199. Nice hit for the Eagles right here. Greatest running back of all time, DeMarco Murray. Philadelphia Eagles going out to William. That one's numbered 12 of 199. And Bo Jackson. Raiders crushed this break. Bo Jackson, blue die cut going out to Jarrett. Whistler 23. That one's numbered to 35. 5 out of 35. I laugh while saying that. No, it's just funny. I hated the guy last year with a passion. Now I love him. It's just kind of funny. Nice jumbo for the Cardinals. Larry Fitzgerald, jumbo jersey. Let's go on to B. Gordon. 34 of 49. Every time I'm here, Bo hops out. Ooh, wow. Raiders crushing it. Derek Carr. Autograph going out to Jarrett. Man, Jarrett crushed it with this. 8 of 99. Got the Cooper. Got a bunch of other stuff. Man. Dual jersey for the Packers. Devontae Adams, Ty Montgomery. Sync swatches. 90 of 199. Green Bay Packers going out to Tim. And a blue die cut for the Colts. Andrew Luck. Nice blue die cut going out to Summer. 31 of 35. Going out to Joe's pocket. 2 packs ago. New York Jets is Harry. PHSMC 4543. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 101. 101 coming up. 1 of 1 coming up. I do not think the Jets have anything yet. No. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we hit a monster. Dual jersey for the Browns. Vince Mailey. Browns crushing it. 13 of 199. Cleveland Browns going out to Richard K. Ooh, this is nice. 3-color patch for the Seahawks. Cam Chancellor. Actually, 4-color if you count that 2 gray color. Seahawks going out to Walter. That one's 6 of 25. We got a Hall of Fame autograph. Going to the Buccaneers. Derek Brooks. Hall of Fame on-card auto. That's nice. Tampa Bay going out to George. And we got a blue rookie for the Rams. Blue rookie of Todd Gurley. St. Louis Rams going out to Eric. 9/49. You guys want to see the 101? I don't see any excitement in the chat. We have a 101 Superfractor. 1/1 Superfractor coming up. Let me slide these two off the here. Alright, we got Trey Mason. Jumbo jersey. Number to 199. St. Louis Rams going out to Eric. We got Steve Young for the Bucks. Bucks version of Steve Young. 59/99. We got Team Trio, Sammy Watkins, EJ Manuel, and Robert Woods. 64/199 Buffalo Bills going out to Brian D. And the moment you've been waiting for, the last hit of the break, is going to be a 101 gold. They call it gold, but in my eyes it's a Superfractor, but they can't call it that. So I haven't seen it yet. I'll see it at the same time as you guys. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, for the Tennessee Titans, Radiant Rookie Laundry Tag Patch Autograph, David Cobb. Tennessee Titans going out to CJ. Wow, nice hit, CJ. Man, so close. 1/1. Titans crushed that break. Wow. Titans absolutely destroyed. Building the rainbow right here. Look at this. You got number 3 and a 101. You got the hardest parallels to get. Congratulations, CJ. So that was a break. Thanks everyone for joining. Appreciate it. I'll get this magged up in a minute. There's no randoms to do. No randoms. Appreciate everyone joining. The Spectra is a ton of fun. It's really nice value and everything like that. So go join some of the 4-box breaks on our website, jaspyshubland.com. Thanks everyone for joining, and I appreciate the look. See you all next time.